Hello guys, today we are going to talk about Napanook Cabernet Sauvignon from Yountville. It's a historic estate, very old. Christian Mouillet is a very big name. Let's dive into it. So the wine has received some whopping scores from Wine Palate at 94 points, Jeb Dunnuck at 92 points, James Suckling actually gave it a 97 points. And then we have Vinous, which is I like his style of writing the reviews. He gave it a 93 points. So without a further ado, let's dive into the wine and let's taste some. Let it breathe a bit. Tod Mostero is the winemaker. He has been with uh, Napanook or Dominus Estate for quite a while. It was a pleasure for me to meet with him one time when he was in town. So very lovely guy. So upon reading a bit more, this is not 100% cab. This is actually 92% cab, which they can say that it's a Cabernet Sauvignon. But they have added 4% of Petit Verdot and 4% of Cabernet Franc to the mixture. Let's smell the wine. Ooh, wow, wow! Like leafy tobacco, graphite. Wow, lots of stones, cedar, lavender. Oh wow, nice cocoa to it. Beautiful. Let's taste the wine. Oh, wow. Mm. Red currants, blueberries, nice orange peel, some black cherries to it. Wow. Nice lingering finish. Pomegranate. I would put the wine at completely dry. There's no sweet tones to it on my palate. Moderate oak, not heavily influenced by the oak. High in tannins. High in tannins, I would say. Medium acidity. Yeah, I can pair this wine with something like beef Wellington, like more of gamey food, like venison, deer. Wow, lamb chops. Don't forget lamb chops. So that was my review. I I think you all, once you taste it, you'll agree to it. Great pricing for the club members. Cheers.